So hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Windows Tips and Tricks. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to download Windows 11 ISO plus Windows PCLJ, which is the updated version which is released recently. So also before releasing PC health check to Windows Insiders also, what they've done is they have actually posted in your blog that they have actually released Windows 11. They have actually included Windows 11 ISO. Okay, so now you can download Windows 11 ISO. So how you can do that plus the PCL check. So let's get started. So just a minute. So for that, first go to this link insider.windows.com and need to sign in. Okay, so I've already signed in. Okay, again I need to sign in. So let me quickly put my credentials. Yes, we want to stay signed in. Now now as you can see, I've actually registered. So to register, what you need to do is here there will be an option to register. Just click on that register button. Let me go here. You can see, just click on register here and you will be registered automatically. You can see they've already registered. So here you need to just click on register and you will be registered to Windows 11 Windows ISO, so Windows Insider program. So if you have already registered to settings app, if you have already registered to Windows Insider program, you just log in with the credentials and follow the steps which I'm going to do right now. So now I will be providing a link for Windows 10 ISO. Don't worry, you are not going to download Windows 10 ISO, but actually going to download Windows 11 ISO only. Or else, if you don't want, just what it says, just search download Windows 10, because you'll not be directly getting by searching, and there you can see you will get an option named as Windows Insider Pro Preview. Just click on there, click on Windows 10 Insider Preview. Don't worry, we are not going to download Windows 10 Insider Preview. That's because the Windows 11 Insider Preview plus Windows 10 Release Preview Channel Insider Preview, which is the 21H2 version. So just scroll down, and you can see select this. Click on where you can see Windows 11 Insider Preview Dev and Beta Channel. Currently it is 20,132, and okay. So what you need to do is click on your channel which one you want to download and select confirm. So better you can choose beta channel, because Microsoft has confirmed that it is going to provide some dangerous bits which can have bugs, lot of bugs in the deep channel. So better you can go to beta channel or switch to beta channel right now. Okay, and also you can download the beta channel better. So just click on beta channel and click on confirm. Now select your language. Send in English and click on confirm. Currently Windows 11 is available only in 64-bit. So you can only download the 64-bit version. So just click on here, and also links valid for 24 hours from time of creation. That means it can expire according to your time. It will expire in 2nd September 10:43 21 second. Okay, just click on here and the download will start automatically there. Now the now coming to the Windows PC health check. So just the same way, go here, and after giving it, at the down you will notice Windows Insider Preview PC health. That means this is the PC health check ones, you can see. So this is the updated ones. So first of all, before going to download, you need to confirm which edition you are running or system type. So just click on start and click on settings, or just press shift Windows plus I and you will get this. Go to system, scroll down here, okay, and click on about. And in system type, if you get 64-bit operating system x64 bit processor, and also you can check the addition ones. Okay, these two is what you need to check. If your edition has Windows 10 on single language, then go to the system type and check which system type you are. If you have 64-bit operating system, go for 64-bit download. Now, another thing, in addition, if it shows Windows 10 Home or Windows 10 Home in S mode, then there is different installation file. This is mode download. You can see. So that's why I'm told to check the edition ones first. So first we have to check the edition. If it is shows Windows 10 Pro, Windows 10 in single language like P, then you can check the system type. If it is shows ARM or 32-bit, you can just download this. So my one says 64-bit, so I can download here. Or else if you have Windows 10 Home in S mode, don't go for system type, directly download the S mode. Now I've checked and I have to download the 64-bit. Just click on it. So I've already downloaded it. Let me cancel that. So I already downloaded it. So let me show you that. Mm, this ones. So previously I have the previous version also. So just double click there, and this has directly started the installation because I've actually installed previously the PC health check, and it will automatically be open. Now, if you have the older version, it will automatically start downloading and installing, and it will show Industry PCLG is installed. And if you don't install, it will first will show you a license agreement. Just check mark I accept the license agreement, click on this. It will start installation directly, and then you have to click on finish. It will open the PCLG. Now, here nearly same interface, but the interface what is changed is indeed check now. Whenever you will do this, you can see it shows this PC meets Windows 11 requirements. Also, also there is one another thing, which is see all results. In which it goes wrong, this one says you can check. Just click on see all results and you can see it will show. And if in any one, if it goes cross, you can just go directly and resolve this. Okay, so this PC supports secure boot, so that's its tip. So tip in 2.0, every detailed information is what you will get from here. So this much all in this update. So if you like this so please like and share this video, and also please subscribe the channel. Okay, and also click on bell button for more videos about these topics. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.